Are you experiencing Amazon Fire Stick error code 02066? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet connection. You can get error code 02066 on Fire Stick due to network connectivity issues, server problems, app cache, software glitches, outdated system updates, geographical restrictions, etc. To fix the issue, first of all check if you are connected to a stable internet connection. You can check your internet speed using websites like speedtest.net from your mobile or PC. You can also run a speed test from Fire Stick. Open Settings from Fire TV Stick Home. Now, select Network. Next, select your preferred Wi-Fi network and press the play or pause button on your remote. Now, run a speed test and ensure high-speed internet connectivity. If it's not connected, reconnect it immediately. Slow internet speeds can also trigger error codes, so you can restart your router or modem. Turn off the router, wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can help resolve any temporary issues with the router. Method 2. Clear app cache. The next thing you can do is clear the app cache. To do so, navigate to Settings, then select Applications, then select Manage Installed Applications. Next, select the problematic app. Select Clear Cache and then Clear Data as per your system options. This can help remove bugs and glitches associated with the app. Method 3. Check the app server status. Look for a status page of the app and check if there is any server outage. You can search for the server status page of the specific app on Google, on a PC or smartphone. Like here we are searching for this app. You can check here for any reported outages or maintenance if you are getting the error on the BBC iPlayer app. If there is any server outage, report and wait for some time till the server is up and live again, and then check again. Method 4. Update the specific app. Ensure that the app on which you are having issues on Fire Stick is up to date. Check for updates in the App Store and update them if available. You can also go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Applications. Select Manage Installed Applications. Look for any available updates for the app in concern. If there are updates available, install them and see if the issue is resolved. Method 5. Update your Fire Stick. Update your Fire Stick to the latest version. This can resolve any bugs or compatibility issues that might be causing the error. Go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Check for System Update. If an update is available, install it and see if the issue is resolved. Method 6. Uninstall and reinstall the problematic app. If the methods shown don't work, try uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it from the Amazon App Store. You can also go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Applications. Select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app you want to uninstall and then uninstall. Here, we are selecting this app for example. Follow the on-screen instructions. Install the app again and see if the error persists this time. Method 7. Contact BBC iPlayer support. If the steps shown don't resolve the error, reach out to BBC iPlayer support for further assistance. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps if you are getting the error on this specific app. And there you have it. The ways to fix Amazon Fire Stick error code 02066. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.